What's that mysterious clicking noise? Not over here, not over there. It's kind of catchy. Remus, Lupin. Remus, Lupin. Professor Sprout. Remus, Lupin. Professor Sprout. Greg Goyle. Remus Lupin. Professor Sprout. Harry Potter and Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Professor Sprout. Lupin Harry. Professor Sprout. Professor Sprout. Greg Goyle. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Remus Lupin. Singing our song all day long at the WWE Wrestling match. I found the source of the ticking. It's some ring. Yay! Ooh, oh. Dassy, ooh, Dassy, da.